Imagine a baby is born on Republic Day at Bangalore at 10:18 in the morning. 10:18 is the time when in 1950 India was declared a republic. What will the Janma Kundali of this baby look like? Let's take a look in Stellarium. So here we are in Stellarium. I am facing east. The date is set to January 26, 2026, 10:18 in the morning. So since I am already facing east, let me start with determining the lagna of this baby, the Janma lagna. So I am going to first get rid of the atmosphere so that I can see everything very clearly. I get rid of the ground, but I introduce the horizon as a line. Now I'm going to turn on the Rashi Mandala and I will focus on this point where the Rashi Mandala intersects the horizon. So the lagna of this baby is Meena. But how many degrees inside Meena? We have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 degrees inside Meena is the lagna of this baby. This is not exact because if I zoom in, you can see that it falls a little bit short of 12 degrees. But there are no finer markings, so I cannot get that much precision here. So let me just keep it at 12 degrees inside Meena. That is the lagna of this baby. Now the same lagna I want to find out in terms of nakshatra. So let me turn on the nakshatra mandala. The lagna of this baby in nakshatra is Uttarabhadra, third pada. This is first pada, second pada, third pada. That is the lagna of this baby. Good. Now we need to find out and document the positions of all the grahas. So let's start reading out the position of the grahas. I'm going to start with the Shani, which is right here. But first let me go back to the Rashi Mandala and I will get rid of the horizon. I click on Shani. Now literally I can read off the Rashi from here. So it is Meena again, Meena Rashi, 3 degrees 52 minutes. 1, 2, 3, just before 4, 3 degrees 52 minutes is the position of Shani. The same thing in terms of nakshatra. Let me turn on the nakshatra mandala. Shani is in Uttarabhadra, first pada. That's what is shown here. As simple as that. Now let me proceed to the next one. So here is the moon. Now I will turn on the Rashi and the nakshatra mandala both simultaneously. I click on the moon. So moon is in Mesha Rashi, 12 degrees 1 minute. And in terms of nakshatra, it is in Ashwini nakshatra, fourth pada. Good. Now I'm going to look for the others, and here we are. So there are 4 grahas which are clustered in Makara Rashi. So let me first look at Shukra. Shukra is in Makara Rashi, 16 degrees 41 minutes. And its nakshatra is Shravana nakshatra, third pada. Then let me look at Buddha. Buddha is in Makara Rashi, 15 degrees 8 minutes. Nakshatra is the same, Shravana nakshatra, second pada. Then I look at the sun. The sun continues to be in Makara Rashi, 12 degrees 1 minute. Nakshatra, Shravana nakshatra, first pada. And finally Mangala is still in Makara Rashi, 7 degrees 59 minutes. Nakshatra is Uttarashada, fourth pada. Now only one more graha is left. So let me search for that, and that is nothing but Guru, Jupiter. So there you go. There is Jupiter. So Guru is in Mithuna Rashi, 23 degrees 49 minutes. And the nakshatra is Punarvasu nakshatra, second pada. So we got all the grahas. We got the lagna. Rahu and Ketu we have not done. It is possible to do Rahu and Ketu in Stellarium, but it's a little bit complex and it is not very accurate. So I will not go there. I will not do Rahu and Ketu. I will stop with this. Now I'm going to show you what drikpanchang.com shows as the Janma Kundali of this baby for lagna and the saptagraha. You can compare them yourself and you see they pretty much match each other. Drikpanchang shows down to arc minutes, whereas the readings I've been taking here are stopping with the arc minute. Drik Panchang shows up to arc seconds. Stellarium does not show arc seconds here, so there is that amount of discrepancy in the detail. But otherwise they are matching. So what this shows you is that your Janma Kundali is a very accurate record of the positions of the grahas when you were born.